The EOEBOT Air Purifier for home has the airflow capacity to handle very large rooms, so it can refresh the air in open living spaces, bedrooms, and offices without feeling underpowered. Its layered filtration system, including a washable prefilter and dedicated odor control media, does a solid job capturing pet hair, dust, pollen, and everyday household smells. Built-in air quality sensors with a clear display let you see particulate levels at a glance, and the automatic mode adjusts the fan speed for you based on what it detects. In sleep mode, the purifier runs at a very low noise level with the lights off, making it easy to keep running overnight in a bedroom without disturbance. 6 distinct fan settings, plus a timer and child lock, give you flexible control over noise, energy use, and safety in homes with children or curious pets. A filter change reminder that adapts to usage, along with easily accessible replacement filters, helps ensure the purifier keeps performing well over the long term.